Friday everybody, I hope you're all doing well. So today we're going to be looking at the Laden Couch's work because we still have a little bit of Laden Couch to do. Right at the bottom we've got it in here. So for the Laden Couch work, we did this one in single thread and it's the same for the second one. So we're not using double thread, we're using single thread. And I found that actually, I don't know if this is right, but I found that having a longer thread was easier, just because when you got to these longer bits on the Laden Couch, you needed quite a bit of thread just to get to that bit. Video 19 when we first did the Laden Couch on this project, so I thought we could have a little look at how we did it. Up here, we're gonna go down like that. I'm gonna come up, down into here, and down. So we've got the first line of the Laden Couch all done, so I'm just going to come up and do the second one. So we're going to up here, make sure I'm doing it two-handed, and then down here, like that. Then we're going to come up this way, down to here. The last one, just I'm just going to do my seeding stitches in here. So that's the laid part done. Last time she did the couch bit. Move on to the couch stitchings. Philip says next, couch over the cross junctions, working vertically up and down the line as shown. So then I'll come down, coming up and down each row. It definitely helps you not forget one. You don't leave any little cross junction behind. So we're just going to come to the end here. So the colours we're using for this Laden Couch are slightly different. We're doing the main laid bit in 226, which is this lovely red, which is very similar to what we couched our first section with, and we're couching in 156, which is this lovely greeny tealy colour, which I think we used in this big hillock here, and this one we don't use it in, so yeah. So it matches really nicely with this hillock here. So I hope that you found that useful. Tomorrow we'll be going on to the long and short and soft shading, which we've done a lot of, so you should be very good at this by now, but we'll be going over a refresher of how to do that stitch.